Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to study in science about malnutrition and its deficiencies. Do you know what is malnutrition? Malnutrition is poor nutrition or undernourishment. It means the body is not getting enough nutrients to grow and to maintain itself. Taking too little proteins and vitamins can lead to malnutrition. Children suffering from malnutrition have skinny bodies and bloated bellies. So, as you see in this picture, this is one of the example of malnutrition, showing the skinny body and the bloated belly of the child. Next, we will be studying about the deficiency diseases caused due to the lack of nutrients. The deficiency caused due to the lack of vitamins are as follows. Vitamin A causes night blindness, vitamin B1 causes beriberi, vitamin C causes scurvy and bleeding gums, and vitamin D causes rickets, that is the bone diseases. This you can see it very well in the pictures which we have provided underneath. Lack of proteins causes maramus. Lack of carbohydrates lead to loss of weight. Lack of iodine, that is found in salt, causes goiter. Lack of calcium makes the bones brittle, so they tend to break easily. Hence, we are supposed to take all the nutrients in the required proportion. This you can very well see it in the pictures which I have provided there. In the first picture, you see the lack of carbohydrates which leads to loss of weight. In the second picture, you see that the lack of calcium makes the bones brittle. And in the third picture, you see that the lack of proteins causes maramus. And in the fourth picture, it is shown that the lack of iodine causes goiter. Hence, to stay healthy, we should develop healthy food habits like drink plenty of water, avoid overcooking of food since it destroys vitamins and minerals present in the food. Fried food also should be avoided, and always wash the vegetables before cutting them. So this will prevent the loss of nutrients in the vegetables. Okay, so with this we complete the lesson. I hope children you have understood the lesson very well.